The world of wines is incredibly vast, and it can be intimidating, pretentious, confusing, but it doesn't have to be. Hi, my name is Jackie Blisson. I am a wine writer and educator. If you want to learn more about wine, you have come to the right place. I have been a wine lover for as long as I can remember. My dad used to love to line up old Burgundies and Bordeaux and have me sniff and rank them way before I was old enough to take a sip. I have studied and worked in some of the most amazing wine regions in the world, including Burgundy, the Rhone Valley, and the Walker Bay of South Africa. My goal with this wine video series is to help you improve your wine knowledge by breaking down seemingly complex wine topics into simple, relatable terms so you can get more out of your glass of wine. If you like this YouTube wine channel, please subscribe, turn on notifications, and share widely. Until next time, santé!